Are you looking to find your perfect design idea? This video is perfect for you.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Subscribe to join the design family.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.
exist in objective reality.